So, when you try to install Windows 11 without an internet connection, you will end up on a screen like this, where you have no option to continue without connecting to the internet. But don't worry, there is a quick and easy solution. All you need to do is press the Shift and F10 keys on your keyboard. When you do, a command prompt will open. Now, in the command prompt, type OOBE\bypass NRO, and press Enter. Once you press Enter, the Windows installation wizard will restart. This time, you will see the I don't have internet link in the Let's Connect to your network screen. In the next screen, click on the Continue with Limited Setup link. This will allow you to install Windows 11 by creating a local user account. And that's how we can install Windows 11 without an internet connection. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.